But here in person, hi guys, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying a new product, guys, and this is not really beauty related, but somehow I think it's also beauty related, ganon. But anyway, today I will be trying out this one, the Radiant Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit claims to whiten teeth in just 10 minutes, guys. So this is a professional teeth whitening kit for instant results. It has active stain remover and strengthens the teeth, and it's also clinically proven safe and effective. So I bought this sa Lazada, sa Watson's official Lazada mall. It's sealed with a plastic, guys. Separate, tinanggal ko na yung plastic, and when you open it, may tatlong syringe na filled with products. Tapos etong dalawang ito, I don't know what that is. So may nakalagay dito na range of application. External tooth stain affected by coffee, tobacco, sauce, tea, food, and etc. So yun yung natatanggal niya. Internal tooth discoloration, mild fluorosis, and tetracycline staining, and inherent yellow teeth. I have inherent yellow teeth, like 70% of my teeth is white and 30% yellowish. Ganon yung teeth ko. And then for unknown reason about teeth discoloration. So yun yung kanyang pwedeng tanggalin. So the blue cold light is a teeth whitening accelerator based on latest whitening technology. So I think this one siguro, that one. It accelerates the regeneration of the active oxygen, stimulates ingredients, and eliminates the pigments within several minutes. It whitens your teeth in a rapid way, making the teeth whitening experience at home more professional, comfortable, and effective. So how to use? Ang sabi dito, brush your teeth with toothpaste. I'm done with that. Mold the trays to fit your teeth. Ito, this one. May trays dito. This clear one. And then apply some gel on mouth tray. Place the mouth tray into your mouth and turn on the blue LED light. Tapos, the light accelerator will turn off automatically after 10 minutes. Remove light and tray, then wash your mouth with warm water. May warning dito. Radiant Teeth Whitening Kit should not be used by pregnant women, children under 12 years, people who had ulcers, gum injury, or after oral operations. So, wala naman ako nun. Do not swallow the gel. Okay, noted. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse with water immediately. Keep the kit out of strong sunlight and heat. So, the whitening kit includes 3 whitening gel, a silicone tray, the blue LED light, the shade guide, and the instruction manual inside. So, ayan yung 3 syringes. Use up to 2 times a day for at least 10 minutes per session. After 2 weeks, use can be reduced by 2 to 3 times per week. So, ayan yung kanyang manual. Mold the trays to fit your teeth. So, eto yon siguro, no? Yung tray. So, mold. To fit your teeth. Tapos, ang sabi dito, apply some gel on the mouth tray. Place the mouth tray into your mouth and turn on the LED light. So, lagyan na natin to ng gel. Apply the whitening gel on the upper and lower grooves and close to the walls of the molds. Upper daw. Apply the... Oops! Naparami. And, ayan guys, tapos na. So, pumuti ba? Wala naman. Parang wala naman eh. So, yung instant whitening niya in just 10 minutes, hindi ko pa siya nakikita ngayon. So, maybe constant use of this one. Pero, ayan. Yung nagamit ko pala dito is like half ng product syringe. Hindi yung buong syringe yung ginamit ko. Or kailangan kaya lahatin. But, ayun guys. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Sa tingin nyo, pumuti ba? So, makikita ko yung difference after editing this video. So, I'm excited to use this every day kasi ang sabi naman, use this twice daily. So, at least 10 minutes per session. So, I'm gonna use this again tonight and then constantly na hanggang sa maubos ko to lahat. First session pa lang naman, hindi siya as in talagang instant miracle whiten na talaga yung ngipin ko. So, kailangan natin ng mas maraming sessions. I'm gonna give you an update after using this, all of the gel. After kung maubos lahat ng gel dito, I'm gonna give you an update. But so far, ngayon, after 10 minutes and after one session, siguro pumuti siya ng mga kahit konti, pero hindi talaga yung puting-puti na nai-imagine ko. So, ayun lang guys. So, that's it guys for today's review. I know it's a quick one, but I still hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. God bless everyone. Mwah.